A very good morning to all of you students. Are you all ready with today's session? I'm Ananya Morgan, class developer of Emerging 2. Today we're going to start with the very first subject, which is English. As you know that English book is on your screen, so you all have to be ready with your English book, as well as you must have stationery with you. So go, hurry up, bring out your English book and be ready with the stationery, a sharp pencil and eraser. Then we will start our today session. So I'm waiting, hurry up, go and bring out all the material which is required. Students, hurry up. Okay, are you all ready now? I want a big yes from you all. Ready? Okay, let's start our today's session. So, today you all have to come on page number 1515 from your book. As you know that we are doing our unit B from our tier 2. So, you all have to open page number 15 from your book. In our previous session, we had completed page number 14, right? And in that worksheet, I'll introduce you the CH word. So this worksheet which I'll introduce you today is all about the same concept. In this also, we do revision of our same concept, the CH word. So students, first of all, before starting this worksheet, tell me what is the sound CH word will give you. Ma'am, ch sound. Very good. So today we start with this worksheet, page number 1515. Before starting this, you have to fill the topmost column, write the date on top, as well as you all have to circle the day, go outside, check the weather, how's the weather today, and then circle the clip art. Clear? This much is clear to you. Is there any doubt till now? I hope so that there is no doubt. Okay, so let's start with the today concept. So as you know, the caption over here is CH word, and the formation is way similar to the previous one, right? In the unit A also, we are following the same pattern, the same format. That one day I'll introduce you the blend sound, the next day, we will do the written practice of the words which we read earlier, and then we will do the passage reading. And after that, we will do the worksheet related to the same concept. So, today in this worksheet, we are revising the same concept CH words. Here, we will learn some new words related to the same blend CH, the ch sound. Okay, so why we are wasting our time with lots of this discussion? Let's start our worksheet. So how we will start this worksheet and what we're gonna do in this worksheet. So students, in this worksheet there are some new words for you. So first of all, I will introduce you these new words and then we will read the sentences which is given above. We will recognize the picture, then we will read the above sentences, and in those sentences we will underline those words which is having the ch sound, ch sound. Okay, so this is the same format which we did in our previous unit. So now we will start it with the new words. So here you have to come read these new words. So put your pencil over here. Take pencil in your hand, students, and put it on the very first word. So we will split the big words in small halves and then we will read it. Okay. So सबसे पहले there is a ch blend ch. It will give you sound ch, ch e n, chin, ch e n, chin. Here you have to read it with phonic sound also, right? Ch will give you ch sound, that is understandable, but after that I will give you e sound, ch e, and will give you n sound, chin, t u, t u, tu, chin tu. How you have to pronounce this word? It's chin tu, chin tu. Okay, is this clear to you all? Okay, now come to the next word as well. So what is written over here? Sit. And S is there, so in the last you have to give sound. Sits. Clear? Okay, now this is a very big word. But That is easy for us. Why? Because we will split it in two halves. Two portions में आप अगर इसको split करके read करोगे, so it will be easy for you. So now we will read the first portion. Ch e per chip, अंक monk. Now combine the both portion. Chip, monk. We did it in our previous session also. We will read about two chipmunks, animals, squirrel kind animals. What's the name? Chip. One name is Chip and one name is Chad. है ना? हमने passage read किया था about chipmunks. So what is written over here? Chip, monk. Okay, the next word you have to read by on. What is written over here? Eat, eat, and if S is in the last, so what is the sound? Eats. Okay, this is a very simple word. Now next. Now again you have to split it in two halves. How? Okay, try to read it by on. जब तक आप खुद try नहीं करोगे, so you will not understand that how we have to read the words. Right? So we will split it in two halves. सबसे पहले च आ cha. The next again cha. So if you will combine it both, so how you have to pronounce is cha 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 cha. Right? The next ch, ch will give you ch sound. In chain, ch in chain. Okay, so these are very simple words. Now again we will revise those words and then we will read the sentence. So the very first one is ch in chin, t u tu, chin two. The next sits. The next chipmunk. It is very much needed कि students अगर आपने एक बार उसको split करके read किया है तो again when you read it तो उसको one word read करो whole. Okay, एक बार अगर आपने revise करा तो do it again one more time because practice is must. So it's chipmunk. The next is eats. Next cha cha. Next cha in chain. Okay. So now we are done with the new words. Now come upwards and then we will start the sentence reading. But before that you have to recognize the picture because observe आपको observe करना है then try to read it. Observing is must. Even if you are in school also, if you are जहां पर भी हो आप वेर एवर यू आर सो ऑब्जर्व थिंग्स ऑब्जर्व करके जो आप लर्न करते हो दैट इज वेरी गुड ओके सो व्हाट इज देयर इन दिस पिक्चर स्टूडेंट्स मैम cherry yes there is a red cherry so let's read it put your pencil on the very first sentence and what you have to do while reading you have to underline those words which is having the ch word ओके आपने उन वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन करना है जहां पे आपको सी एच विजिबल है इफ इट इज इन द एंड देन यू ऑल्सो हैव टू अंडरलाइन इट अगर वो बिगिनिंग में है सो तब भी आपको अंडरलाइन करना ओके so the cherry is at the red so here in this picture that is clearly visible what is the color of cherry red so cherry कैसी है red color की है so see cherry is already underlined why because there is a ch blend ch word is there clear okay now let's see this picture there is a boy and where he is sitting he sat on a bench है ना what is this is a bench so what's his name let's see ch in two chintu sits on the bench where he sits on the bench so students tell me where is ch ma'am here very good or ma'am in the last word very good bench में क्या है in the end right okay the next is what is this I told you about this which animal is this ma'am chipmunk very good so students see chipmunk is having something in his hands है ना what chipmunk likes to eat nuts है ना so let's read it chipmunk eats lunch so chipmunk क्या कर रहा है eats his lunch so students let's underline those words which is having ch so the very first word is having ch and the last word is having ch in the end. Now you have to come down and see the next picture. So what is there in this picture? There is a watch as well as there is a torch. Watch, torch. So Chacha has a watch. चाचा के पास क्या है? वॉच भी है. Okay, in our spoken English class, we learn about the conjunction. What are conjunction, students? What is this? And is our conjunction. Conjunction क्या करता है? आपके two words, sentences, phrases को combine करता है ना? So see, there is a conjunction and, है ना? इसके बारे में हमने read किया था in our spoken English. You revised that thing or not? Yes, you revised it, right? तो see, कुछ भी आप अगर करते हो, it is not about only English, Hindi and Maths. You will revise it in your, because all the subjects are linked up. ठीक है? So चाचा has a watch. चाचा के पास watch भी है and a torch. उनके पास watch भी है और क्या है? Torch भी है. Right? So students, here in this sentence you have to underline those words which is having ch. So I'm not telling you. First of all, you will do. Then I will tell you. So I'm giving you some time to underline the words which is having ch word. Ma'am, this one, very good. Ma'am, watch and torch. Very good. Clapping. Well done. Okay, now see this picture. There is a chair. What is this? Chair. And what is there on the chair? In a chain. See, what is the position of chain? Where it is? On or under? नीचे है या ऊपर है? ऊपर है. So when something is above something, है ना, किसी चीज के ऊपर होती है, on a particular surface, so we will use which preposition? On for that. So see, we used on over here. So students, now let's read the sentence. There is a chain on the chair. क्या है? यहाँ पर chain है. कहाँ पर? On the chair. Chair पर. So now be ready to underline the words which is having ch. Now it's done. Okay. The first half of this page we have already done. Now what we will do? We will come to the next half of this page, students. Come down and let's see what we have to do now. So, see, students, just the way I'm teaching you, there is a picture of a classroom. Is that clear to you? Yes, there is a teacher. She is a teacher, and all are good students, just like you all. जैसे आप मैम के स्टूडेंट्स हो, ऐसे ही in this picture there is a teacher. She will guide something to her students. So there is a picture of a classroom. So there are lots of things which you see in this picture. So let's observe. There is a cherry, bench. Where is cherry? Cherry is on bench. See, there is a cheese, stool, chair. See, what is this? Chin. है ना? Or she is a teacher. She is having chalk in her hands. And there is a board, table. And there are lots of things in this picture. So students, you all have to color those words which is having ch. Okay, आपने यहाँ पे there are lots of words written. So you have to color all those words which is having ch. So in among all these words, you have to find the ch word and then take any of your particular crayon and color the whole box. The way it's already done for you, just for your help. So in a similar way, you have to complete this portion. So let's start. I'm giving you an example, then we will complete it. Okay, let's start. Suppose we are starting with this word, cherry. So see, there is a cherry written over here. So it's having ch word. So that means you have to color this box. Okay, in the same way, find the ch words and then color that particular box, and you all have to color the whole box. Okay, don't put a dot or underline, आपको whole color करना है, ठीक है? चलो, the next is bench, bench, or every word you have to read. It's not that कि आपको सिर्फ वर्ड को you have to observe it. If you find that there is ch written, so just color it. No, you have to read it loudly because I want कि आपकी reading practice हो. Clear to you all? You all have to read all words, whether it's having ch or it's not having ch. आपको हर एक word को read करना है ताकि आपकी reading habit improve हो. Done. Chalo. So now what is it? B and ch. Bench. So it is also having ch. So that means you all have to color this one also. Done. Okay. So now we will come to the next word. What is written over here? Sir, stool. See, there is double O, so the sound is long, right? So stool. What is it? Stool. So is there having ch? No. So that means you don't have to color it. Now come to the next word. So it's chair. So what is this? Chair. It's pointing towards the chair. So chair is having ch. So that means you have to color the whole box. Then, okay, the next word is chin. Some are the words which you did already did in the previous session, and some are new to you. Chin, chin. So kindly color the whole box. Now come to the, okay, don't take color out of the box. Okay. Now the next is table. Table. What is it? Table. So there is no ch word, so you don't have to color it. Now the next board. Board. What is this? This is a blackboard. So is there having ch? No. Now come on the next word. Or chalk. This is having ch, and where? In the beginning. So you have to color it whole. The next is cheek. So again you have to color it whole. Done, students? Now this worksheet is completed. Now you all have to complete this worksheet. I'm giving you some time. And today in creative, I'll share an activity with you. You all have to complete that activity. Okay? So that's it. Complete this worksheet and then submit your work on time. And students, it's a request that you all have to share your work on time. Otherwise, it is not acceptable. And sharing work every day is mandatory for you all.